Are you a Canadian looking to secure your financial future, reduce your tax burden, and potentially unlock thousands in tax savings year after year? If so, you've probably heard of an RRSP, a registered retirement savings plan. But here's the real question: are you optimizing your RRSP with a strategy that truly works for you? Are you making the most of every dollar, ensuring it grows as efficiently as possible, and leveraging all the benefits available? Because simply having an RRSP isn't enough. It's about how you use it. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Wealthsimple and its powerful RRSP strategies for Canadians. We're going to break down how you can use Wealthsimple to supercharge your retirement savings, from understanding contribution limits and tax advantages to exploring their investment options, fee structures, and even advanced tactics like rebalancing and dividend reinvestment. This isn't just about setting up an account, it's about building a robust, intelligent, and hands-off approach to your financial freedom. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an RRSP, and why is it such a cornerstone of Canadian retirement planning? An RRSP is a registered investment account that allows you to save for retirement on a tax-deferred basis. This means two key things. First, any contributions you make are tax-deductible, reducing your taxable income in the year you contribute. This can lead to an immediate tax refund, which you can then wisely reinvest to further accelerate your growth. Second, the investments within your RRSP grow tax-free. You don't pay taxes on interest, dividends, or capital gains until you withdraw the money, typically in retirement. The magic here is called tax-deferred compounding. Your money grows exponentially because earnings are not being chipped away by annual taxes. Imagine a snowball rolling downhill. It picks up speed and size much faster without anything slowing it down. That's your RRSP at work. Now, why Wealthsimple specifically? In the crowded landscape of financial institutions, Wealthsimple has emerged as a leader in making investing accessible, affordable, and intelligent for Canadians. They simplify what can often feel complex, offering automated investing solutions that cater to various risk tolerances and financial goals. For RRSPs, this means a streamlined experience from setting up your account to managing your portfolio, all designed to maximize your long-term returns. One of the most crucial aspects of an RRSP strategy is understanding your contribution limits. For 2025, the maximum RRSP contribution limit is $32,490. However, this isn't a blanket amount for everyone. Your personal contribution room is actually calculated as 18% of your earned income from the previous year, up to that annual maximum. So, if you earned $75,000 in 2024, your RRSP contribution room for 2025 would be $13,500. It's vital to know your specific limit to avoid overcontributing, which can lead to penalties of 1% per month on the excess amount if it's over $2,000. Fortunately, an used contribution room carries forward indefinitely, so if you don't maximize your contributions one year, you can catch up in future years. Wealthsimple makes it easy to track your contribution room, often syncing with CRA data, so you always know where you stand. So, how does Wealthsimple help you leverage these tax advantages? When you contribute to your Wealthsimple RRSP, they will provide you with the necessary tax slips to claim your deduction. This deduction directly lowers your taxable income, which can result in a significant tax refund. Let's say you're in a 30% combined federal and provincial tax bracket and contribute $5,000 to your RRSP. That $5,000 contribution could result in a $1,500 tax refund. What many smart investors do is take that refund and immediately reinvest it back into their RRSP or TFSA, creating a powerful cycle of tax savings and accelerated growth. Wealthsimple's intuitive platform makes it simple to set up recurring contributions, whether weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, ensuring you consistently contribute and don't miss out on those crucial tax deductions. Beyond the tax deductions, the real power of an RRSP lies in its tax-deferred growth. Imagine investing in a non-registered account. Every year, you'd pay taxes on any capital gains, dividends, or interest earned. This constant taxation chips away at your compounding potential. Inside an RRSP, however, all those earnings are shielded from taxes until withdrawal. This means your investments can grow significantly faster over decades, leading to a much larger nest egg when you retire. Wealthsimple's automated portfolios are designed to maximize this growth potential by investing in diversified, low-cost exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that align with your risk tolerance. Speaking of investment options, what exactly can you hold in your Wealthsimple RRSP? With Wealthsimple's managed investing platform, you get access to globally diversified portfolios constructed from a selection of ETFs. These portfolios are designed by experts and automatically rebalanced to maintain your target asset allocation. You can choose from various risk levels, from conservative portfolios with a higher bond allocation to aggressive portfolios heavily weighted in equities. For those who prefer to pick their own investments, Wealthsimple Trade allows you to self-direct your RRSP, giving you commission-free access to thousands of stocks and ETFs listed on Canadian and U.S. exchanges. This flexibility means you can tailor your RRSP investments to your personal preferences and investment philosophy. Let's talk fees, a critical component of any investment strategy. Wealthsimple prides itself on its transparent and low-fee structure. For their managed investing platform, the management fees range from 0.5% for their core tier, under $100,000 in assets, down to 0.4% for premium, $100,000 to $500,000, and even as low as 0.2% for generation, $500,000 plus. These fees are significantly lower than traditional mutual funds offered by big banks, which can often charge 1.5% to 2.5% or more annually. Over decades, even a small difference in fees can amount to tens, if not hundreds, of thousands of dollars in lost returns. Remember, these fees are in addition to the underlying management expense ratios, MERs, of the ETFs themselves, which are typically very low, often ranging from 0.1% to 0.25%. Wealthsimple clearly outlines these fees, ensuring you know exactly what you're paying. For self-directed investors using Wealthsimple Trade, there are no commissions on buying or selling stocks and ETFs, though foreign exchange fees apply for U.S.-listed securities if you don't have a USD account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.